Toyota Yaris Cross Hybrid. In this opportunity, we're going to change the engine oil. So let me show you under the vehicle, the oil filter, the underpan, then of course, what type of transaxle this hybrid vehicle use. Check this out. 2022 Toyota Yaris Cross Hybrid. Now, let's see, we already changed the original oil filter. We're draining the oil, which is looking fine. Not bad at all right? But let's see what type of transmission do we have here. This is the, oh, there it is. The P910. The P910 transaxle is actually the very same of the Toyota Agua. They're the same vehicle. The new M58 3-cylinder 1.5 engine, stronger and more efficient. A small little detail that needs to be considered is that this vehicle uses a oil level sensor that sadly it's leaking out. So we need to clean and work upon this. Yep, nothing is perfect. But besides this, let's check out the back suspension, which is it's pretty tough and has disc brakes in the back, these shocks. The spring is a very long springs, by the way. What type of tires this one uses? This way to 1550 rim 18. Yeah, it's pretty big, eh? Now this is a new vehicle. It's a very low mileage. It has about 16,000 kilometers. So what oil are we gonna use? We're gonna use, of course, the original Toyota 016. Jose, but you're always using AMSOIL. Well, of course, you know, I use an AMSOIL, but Toyota is Toyota, and you know, and the other thing is the same manufacturer that does for Toyota, it's Mobil 1. So anyway, you're getting the king of kings as well. All right, the engine pan has already been cleaned. Absolutely no leakage, nothing. We make sure it's that. All right, okay, so there's nothing here anymore to see. We already serviced everything. The levels are fine. Best way, it's time to put the undercover and it's going down. We actually took the underpan on purpose just to show you all the structure of the engine, the transmission that the Yaris Cross uses. But in the real deal, if you want to change the oil, you just have to take this small little cover, which is very easy. You will have fully access to the engine pan and the oil filter. How much engine oil this M58 Toyota Yaris Cross Hybrid takes? Right here live. There you go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There it is. Right there in the back. Can we see? There it is. You know what? In the real deal, it takes 4 quarts complete and will be right in its level. So don't put yourself that 3.8 point. No. Just 4 quarts correctly. That should be it. So engine looking as good as new and service. That's it. These Toyota hybrid vehicles, in this case the Toyota Yaris Cross, also use an active air cooling system to the high voltage battery, and then of course an air conditioning filter. Let's check it out because I think I found something that you want to see. So in the air conditioning filter, we have this cover over here, but look what we found. Look, you know what? This is not the filter for this car. If you don't use the proper filter for the air conditioning, you're doing nothing. You're not cleaning the evaporator, so still dust and debris is gonna come in. So I'll show you the original filter. This is the part number, and this should fit. As perfect, as good as it gets. There you go. Let's put this cover. That's it. I'm ready. And what about the hybrid battery air cooling filter? Let me show you. It's located right here. There you go. And it has a filter that has a lot of dust and debris. So let's take it out and check. All right, so this is the hybrid battery air cooling filter. So let's take it out. All right, so this is the filter. So how dirty is it, Fishman?
Very dirty. This one's replacing actually.
And this is how we service the new Toyota Yaris Cross Hybrid. It's an amazing vehicle for sure. Very nice improvement. The P910 transaxle is definitely, for me, one of the best. So a very nice hybrid vehicle. So if you want to learn more about hybrid electric vehicle servicing tutorials and repairs, stick around for more tips.